To hide apps on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter security and privacy right here, and then we can scroll all the way down to device and data protection. On the bottom there's a hidden apps section. If you select this, you'll be able to try to hide the apps. You can then set up password that you can use to access hidden apps, or you can use your lock screen password as well. Now we can click on the add button and select whichever app that we want to hide. So for example, let's go for a block blast. It should appear right here. That is the place where you'll be able to access it. So if you want to access those hidden apps, you will need to go back right here. You can also add hidden apps to the home screen as an icon if you want, but if you really want to hide them, then just keep them right here. And if we go back, let's check if the game is still available. So block blast, was it? It's gone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.